On the edge of Alphabet Meadow, where the grass turns cool and the sun turns sparkly, there is a tiny stream. Not too deep, not too fast, just a soft, shimmery stream that goes shh, like it's humming a quiet song.
The water looks so shiny.
Let's learn how to stay safe before we play.
It's kind of fast. It's so majestic.
That's okay. Sometimes things that move feel big at first, but before we splash, we always stop, look, and think. That's step one of being stream smart. The friends remember their teacher's water safety rhyme. If you want to swim and play, check the stream in every way.
First, we look for calm water. Not too deep, not too fast.
We can check with a stick. See? It's shallow enough for our toes. And we can test the bottom with our feet. It's soft, not slippery. Perfect. We also check for rocks or holes. Nothing sharp here.
S is for safe. We go slow.
They've learned the first rule of safe swimming: know your water before you go in. Practicing safety isn't scary, it's smart and brave. The children know it's time to take their first careful steps.
Let's remember the next safety step. Walk, don't rush.
W is for water. Whoa, water.
When we walk in, we stay close and never go alone. And we keep our eyes up, not down, so we don't trip or lose balance.
The stream feels cool and kind on their feet. Every careful step builds courage and balance.
See? 1 foot, then 2. Easy does it. But if I slip, then we hold steady. That's what friends are for.
Real bravery isn't rushing, it's learning to move safely and helping others do the same. The stream sparkles like music, and the friends decide to make a rhythm for all they've learned.
Step in slow, 1 foot, then 2. Feel the water guiding you. Breathe in deep, stay strong and fast. Balance first, and courage last. Arms out wide, steady your ground. Hear the river's gentle sound. Safety's rhythm, courage turns to song. Swim together, brave and strong. S is for safe, start with your toes. Feel the water where it flows. Then play our way today. W's for water, watch it gleam. Arms out wide, glide with the stream. Water's warm, but think before you leave. That's how we explore. I is for in, I can begin. 1 breath in, I'm calm within. Step by step, my courage grows. Watch as my courage grows. M is for me, mindful and strong. I find my pace where I belong. Move with care, move with grace. Every swimmer finds their space. S is for safe, start with your toes. Feel the water where it flows. Then play our way today. Dawn is for water, watch it gleam. Arms out wide, glide with the stream. Water's warm, but think before you leave. That's how we explore. I is for in, I can before you leave. That's how we explore. I is for in, I can begin. 1 breath in, I'm calm within. Step by step, my courage grows. Watch as my courage grows.
The water dance becomes their song of strength, each letter leading with focus, laughter, and calm. Together they learn that courage flows best when guided by care. The golden light of the afternoon stretches across the water as the children play gently in the stream. Their laughter mixes with the sound of splashes and ripples, but they start to remember something their teacher once showed them: the magic of how things float. Ducky drifts, light as a feather. The children remember how their teacher filled a tub in class and placed different things inside. Some sank, some floated. The duck floated then too, just like now. It was because of something called buoyancy. Objects that float push water down, and the water pushes them back up, their teacher had said. When the weight of the object and the push of the water balance, that's when it floats. The children splash gently nearby, watching Ducky move with the current. They start noticing other tiny lives in the stream, a silver flash darting beneath the surface. The children remember again. Fish don't breathe air like we do. They use gills. Gills pull oxygen from water, their teacher explained, so fish can swim, breathe, and live where we can't. The thought makes them quiet for a moment. They watch Ducky float and the fish glide, two very different creatures, both perfectly made for water in their own way. Science, they realize, isn't just for classrooms. It's all around, in every bubble, every ripple, every little breath of life that moves through the stream. And as the stream hums softly, they understand. Learning doesn't end when class is over. It continues in every curious moment, every small discovery, every time they stop to wonder why.